Oshkosh Corporation, formerly Oshkosh Truck, is an American industrial company that designs and builds specialty trucks, military vehicles, truck bodies, airport fire apparatus, and access equipment. The corporation also owns Pierce Manufacturing, a fire apparatus manufacturer in Appleton, Wisconsin, and JLG Industries, a leading manufacturer of lift equipment, including aerial lifts, boom lifts, scissor lifts, telehandlers, and low-level access lifts. Based in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, the company employs approximately 16,000 people around the world. It is organized in 4 primary business groups: access equipment, defense, fire, and emergency, and commercial. Founded in 1917 as the Wisconsin Duplex Auto Company, the company was created to build a severe-duty 4-wheel drive truck. After the first prototype was built, the company began to develop rapidly. This first 4-wheel drive truck, known today as Old Betsy, is still owned by Oshkosh Corporation and housed in the new global headquarters building in Oshkosh. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.